Arjun, you're an actor. You also work towards being a director. You were an assistant for many years. You're a famous producer's son. So why I'm bringing all this up is that you have a sort of 360-degree understanding of the film business, of the entertainment landscape, and I think it's fair to say that a lot has changed in the last few years. There's been a shift in terms of what works, what the audience is responding to. There's a very what makes you, this is a question I've been asking most of our panelists, what makes you most excited and worries you the most about about what's happening in the industry today, about the current landscape today?
I'll start with what worries me because बुरे से शुरू करके अच्छे पे खत्म करेंगे
Okay.
जवाब. What worries me is I'm also an audience member, and I have grown up with the excitement to go to the theater to watch a film.
Right.
But today when I'm sitting at home and the impulse is to choose between watching a film, going to the theater, sitting at home watching a film,
Right.
or actually sitting at home and scrolling down and say, okay, let me watch a 60-minute episode instead or a 30-minute episode instead. I am also making that same choice that pretty much everybody sitting here is making.
Right.
So we are filling these seats lesser and lesser,
Yeah.
but they're still consuming the information we are providing. They're
Right.
still consuming the content. The choice to get them to pay money, it's not about that they don't want to come. It
Right.
is just easily available content that is accessible on their phones,
Mm.
on any technology platform, just makes the audience split
Right.
in that moment. Because see, you will come back home from work, you might want to see a film, but your body will tell you, I'm tired.
Right.
You will make a fundamental choice of saying, यार आज नहीं, रिव्यू आएगा, रिपोर्ट आएगी,
Correct.
राजीव ने कितने स्टार दिए, हमको पता लगेगा. No, I'm also the same. Listen, I'm as vulnerable as an audience. Eventually,
Right.
I also go on word of mouth. Somebody tells me, yaar, the film must be seen in a theater. I will take out time on a weekday and go. But if the film is slightly,
Right.
I would say even 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10 today, that doesn't cut it. So today your films have to reach 8 or 9 out of 10 to bring people in. Then they will come.
Right.
See, then it doesn't matter what the first day is.
So are you saying the situation is the scenario is such that it's about should we go immediately or should we wait till it? So they're watching it. A lot of good films have been
Correct.
watched. Right.
So what's fundamentally happened now is you have to. So that is the good. What
Correct.
I was coming from the bad to the good actually is that now, if you've made something good, it will find the audience. If you make something average, it will find an audience maybe later on a
Sure.
digital platform.
Mm.
If you're making something good, these people will tell each other on the WhatsApp group, they'll message each other, family में बोलेंगे, अरे यार मैंने film देखी. It's like Chichore. See, for example, Chichore, maybe in the trailer you couldn't make out what the film would be.
Right. And we had the producer, and he said the trailer. He said, I know I failed my director.
Yeah,
because the
and
produ-
I
because
spoke
the trailer
to
was,
Sajid Bhai also, and he said, "Yaar, how could we cut a trailer
Correct.
of that film without giving too much away? Then
Right.
people wouldn't take the message; they would already know the message."
Right.
And a film like that today is still playing,
Yeah.
despite the fact that 2 weeks have passed. Dreamgirl has come and done well along with it.
Right.
There are English films releasing, there are other Hindi films releasing. There's enough going on digital platforms as it is. But what
Right.
happened is the film worked. So everybody passed that message on. So I feel the good that has happened is now the audience actually has a voice
Right.
where they can push a film to the audience, to the other audiences that they want to push it to. You know, it's not only about ये available है तो यही देखना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
They choose very selectively, and those films really stand out. So I hate using the word content. I'm sure you guys
Yeah.
have heard this word content.
Correct.
Content तो पहले भी था,
Yeah.
but हमको नहीं पता था आप लोगों को क्या पसंद है.
Right.
So the evolution of technology, the evolution of us having more touch points, more data,
True.
has allowed us to understand this is how our audience is thinking. So
Right.
they are actually now communicating to us.
Mm.
It is very scary because the truth gets more and more straightforward and blunt.
Right.
Rejection is far more upfront.
Right.
It is more available to all of them. But when it works, I think the impact is far more now.
So, what is the impact? I mean, what is the direct impact of what you just said? Are you sensing that that there is a shift in terms of the kind of material being made, the kind of material that's being offered? Are you sensing that there is a maybe panic is a very strong word, but that there is an understanding that we need to pull up our socks, we need to do things differently. Are you sensing that in the filmmaking community?
Yeah, I think what happens is that the most important thing, and I'm sure a lot of people sitting here would have said this, writers have finally got their due.
Yeah.
It is imperative that you are not scared of not starting a film till you are not 100% certain of that material. Because पहले क्या होता था ना, ये वन लाइन है, ये आइडिया है, डायरेक्टर एक्टर प्रोड्यूसर सब बैठते थे, बोलते थे ये वन लाइन का ढांचा है 20 पेज का, फिल्म अनाउंस करते लिखते लिखते बन जाएगी.
Right.
आज वो नहीं कर सकते.
Correct.
So that's not panic. That's actually, like I said, they have told us if you work hard before, and don't just freestyle it on a set because that's not your job. It's not this. See, right now I'm doing a candid conversation.
Correct,
I'm
correct.
supposed to freestyle it.
Correct,
But if
yeah.
I was coming here for a
On a
one-hour
set, yeah,
one-hour
that-
speech, and if I
right.
was winging it, I would disconnect at some point with them. So
Right.
that's the biggest difference that has happened, is that you have to write, and writing is paying. No?
Yeah.
That, I mean, see, for whatever
That's
it's
the other
worth,
change, right?
for
That-
whatever
yeah.
it's worth, Razi,
Yeah.
well-written characters. It doesn't always have to be that it's only the story that has to be well-written.
Correct.
Characters. So when you meet a character in a film, you embrace the character because it's well-written. The actor has enough to bite into. Twists and turns. I mean, when you watch a Badla, you're like, okay, this is a well-written film because it makes you go a certain way and then switches you. No
Right.
matter, even if it's an adaptation, it is still adapted well, right?
Right.
So that means, like a Stree,
Correct.
an amalgamation of two genres that we didn't think India will watch in
Right.
one room.
Right.
So it's a
Horror
comedy and a horror.
Correct. Correct.
We've always made those actually.
Right. Separately.
But we made them separately.
Yeah.
So they kind of put and it's so amazing because Stree is a fantastic example. I love Stree.
Yeah.
I don't know how many of you have seen it. I love Stree. But I loved it because I sat with the audience and saw it. I think if I saw that film at home,
Correct.
I might have enjoyed it a bit lesser. I laughed because out of fear people laugh, so you also laugh. When people get excited about Ab Aayegi, and then so there's conversation. So it's a community watch
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
It's very inclusive. And what I loved about Stree, which is like I hacked it a bit later when I spoke to Amar, I said, यार तूने वो फिल्म बनाई है जो हमारे बूढ़े बुजुर्ग है ना वो सुपरस्टिशन में मानते हैं,
Right.
तो वो एक्चुअली बिलीव करते हैं कि वो स्त्री कल आना है।
Correct.
और तुमने उस जनरेशन के लिए बनाई है जो यहाँ पर बैठी है, जो नहीं मानती
That's right.
और जो एक्चुअली हंसती है इन सुपरस्टिशंस पे।
True.
You have actually combined the two big audiences and brought them. So it's a family film,
Right.
but it is two genres taken and put into one. So it's an amazingly cracked film. So stuff like that is happening here. And what's exciting with the Stree, just let's take the actors in isolation. Before that, Shraddha's one or two films are not done well.
Yeah.
It had no consequence because people went to see Shraddha in a film that they liked.
That's right.
And that is imperative. You
Right.
see, Rajkumar Rao had a breakout with that.
Yeah.
Apar Shakti got his due because that was a film where he really stood out. So, Pankaj Tripathi
Yeah.
did a 15-day role maybe, but that role will be etched in people's minds. So, when the film works, these actors get a thrust. But the film has to work. No actor today can get a thrust beyond the film.